So, do the unboxing. Here you go, the unboxing of Fold 3. प्यार से Palak is getting excited. Okay, so here you see the first look of the phone. Wow, say wow.
Wow.
नीचे मत गिर देना.
ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है इसमें से.
हाँ सेम है बट टेक्नोलॉजी अलग है ना. एस पेन है इसके साथ में ना बेटा.
लिपी मैट
So it comes with matte है. This is green color. This is green color. And this comes with matte finish. हम वो भी ओपन कर लेते हैं. इसको भी ओपन करो. This is the case for Fold 3, which comes with pen.
ये कैसे करें?
So this is the box. This is the pen. Put the phone in the box first.
Phone cover.
Put the phone in the cover, not in the box. Okay, so guys, this is Samsung original box specifically made for Fold 3, and this has a housing for. This is the housing for the S Pen. Yeah, just put inside. Okay, so this is how you will carry the pen, and the look and feel of the case is very nice, very premium looking. All right, just put it. So what you have to do is you have to just like this. So you just have to slide in. It's a click, which means that the phone is inserted properly. So that's how it is. So when you have to open the phone, it will open the phone like this. Beautiful, isn't it? This we can do later in the car. Okay, let's go. Thank you very much. Okay guys, I hope you like this small unboxing. We'll do the detailed review in some time. Bye bye.